Hi. Welcome, people of the YouTube, the cult that is YouTube. I'm in Japan. We're staying at an apartment until we get a house. So, beginning of it, you have to take your shoes off. There's evacuation, turn off electricity. Oh, it's the earthquake thing. I don't know. We keep our shoes in here. Sorry, airplane sickness. Keep your shoes in here. When you walk in, and ignore the noise. The toilet is weird. We had to move the trash can from my parents' room to here because they didn't have a trash can in here. So whenever you flush it, water comes down from here, and that's how you wash your hands apparently. The toilet seat is heated. It's like a normal toilet, whatever. That's butt water, that's front water, that's to stop the water. I don't know what that is. I think that's the heat of the toilet, because no, that's water pressure. This is the temperature. It's Japanese, I don't know what that says. And the flusher, you just push it or whatever. And then we have the laundry room. There's some cabinets here. I like the cabinets, they're cool. There's the laundry room. I don't know which one's the dryer, which one's the washer thing. You're supposed to brush your teeth in here. Also, wow, my face. Yeah. Alright, come on, I don't really know this very well, this house very well, because we only just got in here last night. My parents' room has the cabinet thing as well. Oh, here it is. We have these cabinets on the wall. Is there a way to zoom out? I'm already zoomed out all the way. Dang it. Ignore Mario noises. We go in here, it's the kitchen. I like this cabinet because you won't hit your face on it if you leave it open. These cabinets you will though, but it's pretty. I forgot where the shower was. Oh, it's in the laundry room. The door is blocking it. So you turn on the light, and then, it's kind of wet. There's a shower, and I don't know what this is about. Yeah. Apparently it's 5 a.m. in Japan right now, but The living room, there's chairs, there's a couch, there's that, and TV, and then down here, there's drawers and stuff, and something over there, I don't know, and we have pull-out beds, and then, in here, there's the router. My brother's doing stuff in here. I slept here last night on the futon. Yeah, there's some more storage stuff and that. And then the best part of my favorite part, we go out here, you can hear a very loud cicada just squawking his head off, absolutely squawking. And you can see it's a really pretty view from our apartment, and it's 5 a.m. right now, and the sun's already all the way up. The sun set around at 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. It was already super, super dark out. So I don't understand why the time zone is the way it is, considering the time that the sun sets and rises. But yeah, that's apartment. I don't know how to stop this recording. Jake, how do you stop the recording?
You just gotta push the record button again.